Good afternoon, it's Jeremiah with Affordable Mobility Solutions, and today I'm shooting a video of our 2016 Toyota Sienna L. This is like most of our vans, it's a mobility accessible, wheelchair accessible van. I'll get right to the conversion. This is a brand new ATS conversion. It's a rear entry manual ramp and door, very easy to operate, very low cost to maintain. And how it works, I can operate this entire conversion with just 2 fingers, and what I mean by that, we have to open the clamps here. This is a really good setup. These actually keep the rams from rattling. A lot of the conversions, a lot of the companies out there, they don't make them like this, and they're eventually going to rattle on you and they're going to drive you crazy. It's got a handle on either side. I'm going to use the handle on the passenger side, and I want you to see I can put this down using only my index finger. It's spring assisted, very easy to operate. I tell our customers if you can lift a half a gallon of milk up off the ground, you can operate one of these ramps. The ramp itself is 36 inches wide, which is 6 inches wider than the side entry vans, so that 6 inches can make a huge difference. Coming inside the van, 56 inches of headroom. Inside the van, there's 58 inches of headroom. That does make this van ADA compliant, so it's ready to go if you want to use it for business, hospitals, anything like that, and of course families can use it too. It's got 8 tie-down points, 2 in the rear, 4 in the middle, 2 up front. It's a total of 8. This will allow you to tie up to 2 wheelchairs at a time down, or a gurney or stretcher. Has a spare tire right there. Between these 2 middle row seats, there's about 26 to 27 inches of room. That allows most wheelchairs to fit up between those. For the wheelchairs that can't fit between those, oftentimes their legs will just sit in between them and the bottom will sit right back here. So, all types of ways we can configure these vans. The dash is in excellent condition. I don't see any cracks or holes in the dash. It's got the hands-free control for the radio, so that's good if you're driving, or if you maybe have employees or family driving, they can keep their eyes on the road. Has a backup camera, has dual climate control, so the driver can be one temperature, the passenger can be a second temperature, and you can even have a third climate going in the rear of the van. So it's got the rear air controls back here. If your passengers can reach them, they can operate them. Otherwise, you can take control up front. Headliner's in great shape. I don't see any stains in the headliner. It all looks good. We've got all your passengers secured. Come back out. Again, 1 finger. Look at that. Very easy to do. Close everything back up. And this really is so much easier, so much faster, and so much low cost to maintain compared to the electric ramps and doors. I'm going to do a walk around on this van, and although the van is 3 years old, we buy only super clean quality stuff. You can see it has the rear tinted windows. It does have a set of matching Firestones on it. These Firestones are in fair condition. They're going to need replaced before long, I'm going to guess. These are original tires probably on the van. But they're not bald. There's not wires sticking out of them or anything. They're just getting a little older. Some decent tread on them. I'm going to say 4 to 5, 30 seconds. So they're pushing, needing replaced. And before you ask me, well, why don't you replace the tires? Well, if I'm going to sell this van for $40,000 like everybody else, I'll be glad to put some real nice tires on there. And you know, we also offer free delivery as well. So we do have the best prices in the country. There's no doubt about that. It does have a small little scratch there in the hood. See another tiny one there. So overall, though, very clean. I hope you can see in this video I'm trying to be honest and fair as I possibly can. I don't really see any door dings or any dents. I'm not saying there's not a single one on the van, but I'm saying if they're on there, they're very small, and I can't see them. Inside the van, very clean. I'm a non-smoker. I can smell smoke from a mile away. I don't smell any signs of smoke. I don't smell any signs of pet odors. Very clean interior. Carpets are clean. And the rear's got these vinyl jump seats. These are the aftermarket seats put in by the conversion company. They have to do this on all Toyotas. Overall, though, nice and clean. Let's start the hood. Start the vehicle, and then I'll pop the hood. This does come with 1 key. If you want us to get you extra fob or an extra key, those are generally about $150 a set. We can do that at your cost. We'd be more than happy to. So let us know if you'd like us to do that. When I go to start up the van, all the check engine lights work, the dummy lights, everything works. Of course, those all go off, so no check engine lights, no ABS, no airbag lights. can see it's got a full tank of gas. Current miles are 55,805. It does have the touchscreen radio there. It's also got the backup camera like I mentioned. So let's pop the hood so you can listen to it run. Underneath the hood has a 3.5 V6 from Toyota. I personally check over all these vans before we purchase them. I look for signs of any accidents, any bent frames, any bent radiator supports. I look for signs of any abnormal rust, any water damage. I don't buy junk, folks. I know what I'm doing. I've been doing this for 10 years now. I know all the tricks of the trade. I know who to buy from. I know who to avoid. That's the air conditioner dripping right there. Very humid day today. I've got that air going. Underneath the van, very, very dry. I don't see any signs of any rust, any abnormal rust. And the reason I crawl under these vans is I want you to see that not only is the body and the engine and everything look good, but underneath as well. This is very important. You buy one of these vans from New Jersey, up in New York, Chicago, and it's already having rust problems. You know, what's it going to be like in 5 years? So, again, we buy good stuff. We buy quality stuff. No matter who you buy from, we hope it's us. But, you know, have them get outside, have them crawl into the van, have them check it for rust, just make a video like this for you. And if they want to spend 15, 20 minutes of their time making a video, and they want to sell something to you for $30,000, $35,000, you know, then who are you buying from? And when you buy from Affordable Mobility Solutions, you're buying from a company with an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau. We've been in business almost 8 years. We have almost 500 positive reviews on eBay, 0 negative reviews. Folks, buy from a company with a good reputation. Don't risk it buying from some nobody that can stiff you in the end. There's nothing you can do about it. There's a reason we have a good reputation. So let's get the van out on a test drive so you can hear it run. One last thing before I get the van on the highway, I want to show you the power windows, power mirrors. We've tested all these. We've tested the air conditioner. We've tested the radio. Tested all the buttons on the van. This is not some van you come look at and the price seems real good, and then you get there and it's got a bunch of issues. We've checked over this van. It's ready to roll. Radio works. Air conditioner, heat. Everything works just like it should. So let's get the van on the highway so you can hear it run. Okay, the last portion of the video, I always like to get the vans on a test drive. I want to take them out on the highway so you can hear the engine run and the transmission shift. What I'll do is take it this 2 or 3 mile stretch here, give it a good run, get it up to 70 miles an hour. So it gets up to 70, no problems. I'm going to back it down to about 65 because the speed limit's 60 through here. I've got the cruise control set. Cruise works great. As you can see, the steering wheel's set nice and steady. It's not bouncing back and forth like tires are out of balance or anything. The front end feels solid. And I want you to keep in mind, there's a lot of companies out there to buy mobility vans from. Ask yourself or ask them, do they charge any administrative or document fees? A lot of companies charge $500, $1,000, $1,200 in hidden fees. We do not do that. Ask yourself if they have an A+ rating with the Better Business Bureau, because we do. Ask yourself if they have an 100% positive feedback rating on eBay, because we do. Ask yourself, do they deliver the van free to your home or business? Because we do. We own a shipping brokerage. I can get discounted shipping rates. It's very affordable for us to do this. Of course, you're always welcome to come in and pick up the van yourself if you like as well. What I'm going to do is take a hard brake, take this exit and give it a hard brake at the bottom of the exit. So you can see there's no brake noise, no front end noise. Nice hard brake. No one's behind me. I'm watching. No grinding, no squeaking. The steering wheel is not jumping back and forth. So although this van does have 55,000 miles on it, it runs and drives like a very low mile, very well kept Toyota van should. And that's what we're looking for when we buy our vans. We want really nice stuff. We want to pass that along to our customers. So I digress back to, I was talking about comparing us to other dealerships, even individuals. When it comes down to it, putting this van in your driveway or your business, no one can compete with us. No one can compete with our prices. No one does these videos like we do. We want you to know exactly what you're getting. So, if you ever want to come check out one of our vehicles, please always give us a call first. Sometimes we're out doing stuff like this. We know your time's valuable. Shoot me a call, make an appointment, 316-262-0999. Vans. That's 316-262-8267. We are also proudly serving Dallas, Texas. So if you're down in that area, give us a call. We'll get you our inventory down there. You can see our inventory in both Dallas and Wichita at www.mobility316.com. That's mobility316.com. Also for our Texas folks, it's bigtexmobility.com. They will both take you to the same website. If you ever want to see a van before you buy, call us. We can put it on a trailer and bring it to you. We can't work for free, but we can work for affordable to make sure you get exactly what you're expecting before you purchase. So thank you, as always, for checking out our van. If you have any questions, want to make an appointment, please give us a call. And thank you for checking out Affordable Mobility Solutions, where mobility is affordable. Call us today.